we would like to introduce our partner in book finishing solutions, SMYTH. SMYTH Company is producing high-quality sewing machines for digital and offset market. In the analog printing world, the SMYTH brand is known for almost a century as very productive and very durable machines. SMYTH guarantees continuous innovation and product quality recognized worldwide, with over 560 active customers in 65 countries. Everything is made in Italy, from the design and planning stage to the production of every single component, with a meticulous and fine hand finish that goes into every detail. It was SMYTH who invented the threadbook sewing method, which bears the SMYTH name. From the end of the 1800s, this method recognized the world over as SMYTH sewing has guaranteed high quality, strength and durability. As an example of the excellent quality of SMYTH sewing machines, let us introduce the printing house Printcorp, located in Minsk, Belarus. Since 1992, when Printcorp printing house was moved from the USA to Belarus, it has successfully continued producing Bibles worldwide using SMYTH's bookbinding machines. They are using altogether 8 SMYTH sewing machines. 2 of them are automatic, and there is only one operator needed to operate both of them. Other 6 semi-automatic machines are made back in 1926 to 1939 and operate until today. The books are made from 28 34-gram paper, which is the tiniest weight of the paper, making the work complicated, but not for SMYTH sewing machines.
Такой объем книг вышивается 1200 штук, 1200-1300.
И за смену?
За смену, за 8 часов. 1200-1300 штук.
Learn more about SMYTH's book binding machines on our website.